Hey guys, guess what? Happy holidays. It is a beautiful day, as you can see. At this time of the year, you know, we have to give thanks to all of the goodness that has happened to us throughout the course of the year. And today in particular, we want to say thanks to the people that have been instrumental in helping us to get the job done. So we have gifts. We're bearing gifts today. So follow me. This particular friend, however, is Nutsford Express. You know Nutsford Express, the ones that deliver the packages out of town for us. We are here to say thank you.
Hello?
Merry Christmas, one and all. I come bearing gifts today, no work today. I want to say Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you.
From Alpha Import, Merry Christmas to you, pretty lady. You're the pretty one now. Akeem, big up yourself, brother. Well, where the other general, remember? Shout him up for me now. I would just want to say thank you for all of the good services. You guys have been really instrumental in helping us to get it done. So, big up on yourself. Where I'm gone? Even though I him not agree, I still have a gift for you. Yeah. Huh? So as I tell you guys, it's a time of giving and receiving on their part. We have received love from them right throughout the year and good service. So now we're giving just a simple token. And we have a gift for you as well. Give me a call. Oh, you come? You coming? Alright, cool. So enjoy.
Thank you.
And I delivered the one to New Kingston already.
Oh.
Yeah. General, pick up yourself. Happy holidays from Alpha Imports.
So
alright?
Good. Blessings.
General shape, man.
Thank you.
Akeem, big up. Alright, peace out.